What do you know that other people do not know? And the way that we're going to do that, we can also name our course. We're going to name our course 3 different ways. So the first way is going to be how to achieve an awesome outcome in blank days while overcoming some disadvantage. Okay, I'll give you all 3 of them and then we'll go through examples. The second way to name your course, how to live the promise or outcome with, for, or using a change, activity, or a situation. The third way, if you can, are, or have a situation, activity, or complaint, then you can achieve an awesome outcome, right? So let's start with number 1, how to achieve an awesome outcome in blank days while overcoming some disadvantage. So let's take the example of losing weight, if you will. And the example of losing weight, we would say how to lose weight in 60 days while not spending money for a gym membership, right? So while not going to a gym or while working out at home, okay? But do you understand and do you see how we are taking what it is, a pain point, right, that someone has? We're also taking the outcome of our course and we're measuring it by the number of days that it will take someone to achieve this result. So all of this is in the course title, right? What about number 2? Let's work. What do you guys think about number 2? If we were relating that to losing weight, what might number 2 look like? So number 2 might look like how to lose fat in 60 days, right? And keep it off using my 3-step process 2 times a day. It could look that way. How to lose fat in 60 days and keep it off using my 3-method process 2 times a day. Okay. Do you see again how we are measuring the goal? We're giving the expected outcome or the promise, and then we're also addressing changes in activity or changes or overcoming a disadvantage. Okay. And then the last one, if you can, are, or have this particular complaint, then you can achieve this awesome outcome. So that might look like this. If you are losing patience in your weight loss journey, you can change your habits and start losing ugly belly fat starting tomorrow using my simple ABC technique. Okay, so you've addressed the pain point, you've addressed the outcome or the change, and then you've measured it, right? Tomorrow, you can do this by tomorrow. The other thing that you've done in there is you've been descriptive as well. So instead of you just saying losing weight, you said losing ugly belly fat, right? So description attracts customers. So let's go through those one more time. Number 1, how to lose 20 pounds in 60 days without going to the gym or breaking the bank. How to lose 20 pounds in 60 days without going to the gym or breaking the bank. Number 2, how to lose fat in 60 days and keep it off using my 3-step process twice a day. How to lose fat in 60 days and keep it off using my 3-step process twice a day. And then the last one more time. If you are losing patience in your weight loss journey, you can change your habits and start losing ugly belly fat starting tomorrow using my simple techniques. So your course topics or your course titles should be fun. They should be engaging. They should be attracting those customers, right? Because we don't want to chase customers. We want to bring customers to us by what it is